Alright, we're cutting the copper C's to finish the battery. There's the one side we already did. And here's the side we're trying to finish. Got both sides done. And the voltage is 53.9. So we're going to put on the main lead now with a fuse. So we've soldered the positive fuse. There's no fuse in there right now. And we've got the negative on there as well. And that's coming around here. Now we're going to add a 40 amp fuse and give it a test. So we're also going to put some glue along this wire to hold it in place. See, we already have the tape on there, but we figured securing it a little better would be a good plan. Right on this end piece with a fuse holder, and on this negative side as well. And here is the 40 amp fuse. Alright, let's go see if it powers the bike. Alright, we're gonna give it a shot. Connecting it up. And we've got a 48 volt on a 36 volt bike, so that's nice and bright. Hey, it's working. Alright, so next steps. Jay, you're on camera. Jay's going to take the battery and he's going to find some bolts that will hold the battery together tight. And he's going to record that side, and then that'll be added to this video. Alright, we've got the case ends taped around it right now, and we'll see how it looks with some bolts on there. Good luck! Alright, here's the complete battery. And this is Jay's bike. So, truth be told, this video is a little bit late, and this battery's been working pretty well, but we did find that the way these plastics are, they can get damaged pretty easy when they're jumping around. So it's really important to secure the battery well, which brings us to our next challenge.